Hello guys! Good morning! Today is Labor Day. Marami nagle-labor sa hospital. Punta kami ng zoo! Nag-request kasi si grandma ba nag-request na? Si Janice. Si Terdy nag-request. Bago kami umalis guys, magpipray si grandpa. Pag ayaw ni grandpa, si grandma na lang. Si grandma na lang. Okay guys, listen. Amen. Alright. Sige guys, makilala natin sino kasama natin dito from Tarlac. Ang bigatin ng bigatin ng Rizal. There you go. Robin Padilla. Apa dad? Tumatakbong kongreso. 9th district. Bagsak.
I'm Mommy and this is Turdy. Hi Turdy. Say hi to the camera. Hi Turdy. Hi Tio. Hi Grandma.
Hi, hi Tio, hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Kinukuha na niya.
Hi. Say hi guys. I'm going to the zoo. Give it back to Daddy. See you next time. Back to Daddy. Oh, Daddy.
Okay guys, we're going to Northwest Track Wildlife.
We're gonna go see Emo, the tapir.
Medyo malayo siya. Malapit lang pero walang freeway kasi. So, naman tayo. Sa street. Okay guys, hindi naman mainit so kami ay aalis na.
Nalam mo lagi jacket na.
Jacket ko na grandpa, may time pa. Meron siya dito mother, extra. May reserva si grandpa eh. Sa compartment. Pwede ka agad?
No, just one water.
Oh. Okay guys. Alright. We will see you later, alligator.